Got some goodies in the mail. Here's the part number for this ornamental decoration. That my current yellow won't be much longer. 1978 Toyota Land Cruiser has. Let me get this thing out of the goddamn package. There I go. Okay, there we go. There's that. Put him right there. Then this doesn't have it, but now it does. I thought they were metal, but they're plastic. Whatever. There's $100 right there, but there's the part number. Next is two handles for the window. Now, the one on the driver's side, this part, the part that's supposed to spin, broken. These are come off Rock Auto, so there's that. And I got two radiator hoses. I think those are the part numbers, but hey, who knows? And 6 AC Delco spark plugs. Yay. And finally, this nice little radiator cap from Gates. I didn't know if I needed one, but my radiator was pretty ham-skied, so I needed to, you know, just in case something happens at the resto shop. Hey, I got another one, which they are planning to redo the radiator until I can get back to the States where I can get a, well, I may or may not buy a aluminum radiator. I've seen them, they look pretty cool, but who knows. But that's about it.